This is going to be the previous year question of 2015, and today we will cover the previous year questions for the geology paper 1. And our motive for the previous year question is just to clear the objective questions, because objectives as repeatedly asked in the questions, and 50 marks carries from the objective parts, and remaining 75 marks are from the descriptions and whatever is the practical in our college. That's all. And in first of all, we have to clear the objective questions, and objective questions help us to getting marks above than the average. Okay, so we have to clear the objectives in a better way so that enable to answer the questions. Okay, now the first questions, instructions are same for the all years. Now we have to directly see the questions. Okay, that there is the first question, which of the following is the characteristic feature of Rhizopoda? And there is no taken in the answer, that is contractile vacuole will be the answer. That is the characteristic feature of the Rhizopoda. The larva of Sycon is the Amphiblastula. Now the next question is, cysticercis is the larval stage of, that is right answer is the tapeworm. Epidermis of body wall of Ascaris is, that is Cynantium. In earthworm, ovary is situated in the 13th segment. Okay, the respiratory pigment in Pelimon is, that is the hemocyanin. And now the next question is, Seculina is a parasite. Wucheria bancrofti is, that is the oviviviporous animals. Pseudotrachea is present in the mouth parts of, that is right answer will be the housefly. Gonad bearing joints found in Ovelia is, that is the medusa. The characteristic feature of Arthropoda is, that is jointed legs. Calcarea larva is found in life cycle of, that is Fascicula hepatica. Coelom is the cavity surrounded by, there is the right answer will be the mesoderm, and mesoderm is not given in the answer, so the answer will be the none of these. Trochophore larva is found in the member of, that is Annelida. Peripatus is the connecting link between Annelida and the Arthropoda is the right answer. And here is the short notes, that is we have to given the 6 notes and we have to write short notes any 3. Okay, that is first is the Calcarea larva, Solex of Taenia, Ovelia medusa, Amphiblastula larva, and the conjugation in Paramecium. And now the third question is, that is classify phylum Porifera up to order giving examples. Describe the life cycle of Taenia solium. Describe the pattern of reproduction in Paramecium with table diagrams. Describe the water vascular system in Asteris, and account of torsion and retorsion in Gastropoda. Silent feathers of affinities of Peripatus, canal system of sponges, and level diagram and reproductive systems of Perithema, that is the Indian earthworm. And we have already seen these topics in our description part, and later this video is already in the playlist. You can go and watch the videos, and you can answer these questions. That's all for the today's videos.